Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing how the STM32 reads two analog joystick inputs with the AC/DC and uses them to control two servos using PWM. So for the wiring on the joystick, there's ground, 5 volts, and then the X and the Y. And then on the STM, I have two signals, PA6 and PA7. Those go to the servo. And then obviously power and ground. And then the red one goes to X for the joystick, and the white one goes to Y for the joystick. And then for the servos, obviously orange is signal, red is power, and then brown is ground, and then the power and the ground rails. When I move the servo left and right, the ADC on PA0 reads values from 0 to 4095, and then they get mapped to the PWM pulse, which is between 0.5 to 2.5 milliseconds. So you can see the servo on PA6 follows the joystick's horizontal movements. And when I move the joystick up and down, the ADC on PA1 reads and maps in the same way. The servo on the PA7 follows the vertical movement. On the serial terminal, you can see the raw ADC readings and the mappings values being printed.